Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure SoFi Invest for ETF trading. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the SoFi Invest app on your mobile device. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the home screen. Tap on the Invest tab at the bottom of the screen. In the Invest section, select Stocks and ETFs. Browse or use the search bar to find the ETF you want to trade. Once you find your desired ETF, tap on it to view more details. Check the current price, historical performance, and other key information. If you decide to move forward, tap on the Trade button. Select Buy to initiate a purchase of the ETF. Enter the amount you wish to invest in the ETF. Choose your order type, either market or limit order. If you select a limit order, specify the price at which you want to buy. Review the order details carefully. Once satisfied, tap Confirm to execute your trade. Your order will be processed, and you'll receive a notification once completed. To view your ETF holdings, return to the Invest section. Check your portfolio to monitor performance and make adjustments as needed. Congratulations, you've successfully configured SoFi Invest for ETF trading. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.